Welcome to Spellbinders June 2026 All Clubs Create exclusive item called Aloha Hula. This is a set of standalone dies. The All Clubs Create membership includes all club options plus additional monthly bonus items. The bonus is an exclusive product only available in this club. This month's exclusive item is this die set. Let's look at the dies included in this set. These dies create a girl. Assemble the pieces as shown using glue. You can die cut her top and skirt from various colors of cardstock to customize it. Make sure you add the top and the flowers before adding the arm. This set also includes flower dies to decorate her head. Next, we have dies to create a tiki torch. And these dies create a pedestal, so you can turn this die cut into a dashboard hula souvenir. Finally, this die can cut the horizon line. Let's make a card. Use stripe right dies, sold separately, not a part of this kit, to die cut stripes from colored cardstock. Alternatively, you can use a paper trimmer. Die cut a semicircle using a die from the Essential Arches die set. This is also sold separately, not a part of this kit. Layer the die cuts to create a colorful color block background. The colors we used are terracotta, carrot, saffron, beeswax, waterfall, teal topaz, oceanside, and fawn. Place our Bastera craft tape over the background. This way you'll be able to pick the background up, flip it over to the back, and add adhesive to adhere it onto a background. Add an adhesive sheet onto a white cardstock panel cut slightly smaller than A2. Stick your panel onto the background die cuts from the back. Flip the panel to the front and remove the Bastera craft tape. Use glue to adhere any remaining panels. Trim your panel to 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inches. And add the panel to an A2 top folding card base. Foam mount the Hula girl onto the card. Use a brown marker to mark the ground under her feet. Die cut a pile of sand using a die from the clear stamp and die of the month for June from fawn cardstock. Foam mount it onto the card. Next, foam mount the tiki torch as if it's coming from this pile of sand. Add Mahalo sentiment created using a banner die from the small die of the month and embellish your card with opal gems. And enjoy! Thank you for joining Spellbinders Club. Have fun creating!